Hello and welcome to Arm4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I will be showing you how to edit the table number signs that is available in my Etsy shop. This particular listing comes with two options. So the first option has the table number signs already pre-populated inside of Templett. And it ranges from table 1 through table 20, and it also includes a reserve sign. So with this option, you can just edit the name and the date on each number sign. The color and the size of the text can be changed, as well as the type of font can be changed as well. And you will change this information on each sign with this first option. So once you're happy with it, you'll just need to save it and download. I personally recommend the PDF format. It gives the best quality, and then Templett will give you additional options once you select the format of your choice. For the second option, you will only see one table number when you open the template, and you will also see a reserved table sign. So right before, all the text is editable. So for this sign, change the name and the date, and when you're done, you will go to the right of the number sign and hit duplicate. Go to the duplicated sign and change the table number, and you will continue to hit the duplicate sign until you have the amount of table numbers that you need. Once you're happy with the table number sign, save and download it. Click Create PDF, and another Download Now sign will come up. And this is what your download will look like. Also in my shop, I have printable thank you stickers that will coordinate well with these table numbers. So if you're interested, you can just check this out in my printable shop as well. And once again, thank you so much for checking out my shop. I hope you have a blessed day.